Alright, Old Man Reviews here, and I'm working my way through Spider-Man for Nintendo 64. I'm the old man in question, and here we go with the next level of the game. So I was just on the subway, and then Venom snuck up behind me and pushed me down here, making me not all that effective in what I do. You may notice that I have more webbing than what I ended with. That was a process of stopping the game when I got to this level, and then when I came back to it, it did not save properly. And a little comic book there. I like some of the game secrets and that, but collecting all the comic books and some of that kind of stuff just seems like a bit much. Ah, yes. There you go. I like using that technique of pulling them so that you can separate them from each other. Oh, gee, where to go from here? Now, whoever designed the system, that they have this much going on underneath New York City, is either a genius or nuts. Alright, let's see. Remember where I'm supposed to go. Oh, well, pretty easy to figure out, actually. Ah, the sound of the water just stopped. And a new door. Oh, letting in these guys. Yeah, I feel the same way. Oh, wrong turn. Separate. And maybe as a scientist. Maybe as a scientist, try to figure out what happened with them, and maybe if they are human, a way to cure them, or if they aren't, well. Alright, so this is the one that was closed a few moments ago. Yeah, why is that on the opposite end? I mean, if I were a New York City worker, I would need like a boat to get to that switch. Or, if it was empty, like it is now, I would need a ladder. That just kind of really doesn't make all that much sense. Oh, alright. There's one. Hey, Mo! And it's gonna defend someone. I am not stating that Mo looks like a lizard. Maybe curly. Lizards don't have hair. One of these. I'm missing something. Oh wait, I'm not following the compass. Okay, alright, off to the side. Maybe. Right, so that other entrance should be here. But what is it I'm missing? Ah, here it is. And the first time I played this game, death occurred here. Well, yeah, because I forgot to move the water out. Didn't forget, I actually just ran. And... Alright, so thanks for watching, and have a good day.